In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view archive tasks in ClickUp. If you've ever tucked something away for later and then needed to reference it again, archive tasks are exactly that: completed or stored items that no longer clutter your active lists, but are still fully searchable. Today, we'll quickly locate them using ClickUp's built-in search so you can review details, comments, and attachments whenever you need to. First, open your ClickUp account, launch ClickUp in your browser or the desktop app, and sign in if you're prompted. Give it a moment to load your workspace so everything is up to date. At the very top of the interface, you'll see the universal search bar. It sits in the header and usually includes a small magnifying glass icon. This is the fastest way to find anything in your workspace without digging through every space, folder, or list. Click into the search bar and type the word archive. Press enter. ClickUp will scan your workspace and return results that match, including items that are archived. As the results appear, focus on the task results. You'll see items labeled as archived or grouped under an archived area, depending on your layout. Select the relevant task to open it. Once the task opens, you can view everything exactly as it was when it was archived: its description, subtasks, comments, attachments, and activity history. This is perfect for auditing past work, reusing information, or simply confirming what was done and when. Here are a few quick tips to make that search even more effective. If you remember part of the task's title or a keyword from its description, include that alongside the word archive in the search bar. For example, you might type archive onboarding or archive Q3 report to narrow down the results. If your team uses consistent naming conventions, even a short, unique phrase will usually surface the exact task you need. And if you manage multiple teams or projects, give the results a second to finish loading. Larger workspaces can take an extra moment to return everything. That's all there is to it. Open your ClickUp account, use the search bar at the top, type archive, and then review the archive tasks that appear. With this quick approach, you can confidently locate old work without changing views or sorting through lists, keeping your day focused and efficient.